In this video, I will show you the 5 best tools for keyword research and how to use them. By using these tools, you'll be able to find the right keywords for your business and reach your target audience more effectively. Hello everyone. In this video, we'll discuss the 5 best keyword research tools and how to use them. First, we'll be looking at Google AdWords Keyword Planner. This tool is great for finding keywords related to your business and seeing how they compare in search volume. You can also get information on related keywords and see how they rank in terms of competition. Next, we have Google Trends. This tool allows you to see how often particular keywords are being searched for over time. You can also see which regions worldwide are most interested in those keywords. Then we have keywordtool.io. This tool is excellent for finding long-tail keywords related to your main keywords. It also offers information on the competition for those keywords and the estimated monthly search volume. Next, we have Soovle. This tool provides data from various sources, including Google, YouTube, Amazon, and Bing. It's great for getting a broad range of data on particular keywords. Finally, we have Ubersuggest. This tool is perfect for getting even more long-tail keyword ideas related to your original keywords. It also offers information on the competition level and monthly search volume for those keywords. So these are the 5 best tools for keyword research. Using them together gives you a comprehensive understanding of what people are searching for online and what content they're most likely to want to see. If you gained any value from this video, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more. And also, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.